Your LG washer works hard every day to clean your clothes. Over time, the washer itself also needs care. If you see the TCL message on your LG washer, it means the machine is reminding you that it's time to clean the tub. Detergent residue and moisture can slowly build up inside the drum, causing odor and affecting washing performance. LG Tub Cleaner is specially designed to clean the inside of your washing machine and help remove this buildup. Before use, shake 1 full bottle of LG Tub Cleaner well. Pour the entire bottle directly into the empty drum. Do not dilute or divide the solution.
Do not add any laundry. Select the Tub Clean or Tub Sanitize cycle and start the machine.
Regular tub cleaning keeps your washer fresh, hygienic, and performing at its best.